everyone, it's Raquel, the primary librarian, and this is take 2. I am trying to get my video done, and the universe is not with me right now, so I am going to start from where I'm at now. I was filming, and our internet went out because we are in the middle of a storm, and so I'm going to try and start from here and see if I can get through it. So let me tell you what it is that I'm doing. I am part of a collab with the Paper and Pen Girl, and we are doing what is called Snatching, a spread. And I went to Squired Plans, her name is Stephanie, and I found a spread that she did that I absolutely love that I'm trying to recreate. I did have the video beforehand of me doing all this, and yeah, so no. So this part is done. I did this on, again, I did this part and the videos, I have no idea where. So I'm hoping, really hoping, fingers crossed, that this one will work. I do have what I need for my pre-planning here. And again, this is my spread. I'm not even quite done with it yet, but I'm gonna just go ahead and keep going. Keep the faith going. I did this, I'm using an old kit from Planner Kate, a fall kit, and it is MK167A, and it has this beautiful plaid there, checkered plaid. Then I'm using the Happy Planner sticker, these two fall Happy Planner sticker books, because these are the two that she used. I did get this beautiful Autumn is Here from this sticker book. And I don't know how you tell them apart except for how many stickers. This one has 514. This is 712 stickers. So we're working from both of these, specifically this one. And yeah, so she has her spread going down this way. I have a few more that I want to put up here, but before I put them up there, I'm going to white out some of the times. And again, I really hope this lasts. If not, I am going to just get rid of the whole thing. All right, we need to have some sticker books here. And what I want to do is I just need a few more stickers right up there in that corner. And I might even do a pumpkin. I don't think she did a pumpkin in hers, but I might do a pumpkin in one of mine. These are stinking cute. I don't know if I want that one to go that way. I'm not sure because I have that one there already. But I do have some of these little ones. Those can go there. See, we're gonna have to go out as far as that. And use some of these other little ones. I would encourage you to go over and to see her spread. Her spread is absolutely beautiful. Again, like I said, I really loved her spread. Trying to recreate it. And I just, with the internet and with the way that everything is just like falling right now, with the storm, and I'm like, oh, this is not good, this is not cool, but you know, the show must go on, right? So I'm just gonna keep looking away the best I can. Oh, there's an apple, and whatever it is, it is. I could have probably put that in there. Oh, this is cute. Let's use this one. Can I get that out of there? There we go. Now I just have to see whether or not it'll fit. Yes, it'll fit. Okay, that's enough for that side. Oops, that's enough for that side. And the way it's supposed to go down this way. That's all I'm doing for that. I might do, ooh, totally missed that one. We're gonna have to use this one and another one, another spread, because that is pretty. So the thing I love about these particular sticker books is because fall is like fall is my jam. I absolutely love fall. So that's why I really, really loved doing these, using these sticker books. I did get this out of there, right? Okay. I may not have one for that top one. We'll have to see. Okay, so upward and onward. Move my stuff over a little bit. I'll bring in my boxes. So I have a side box that I want to do. And I'm gonna put this in for my side box. Super functional this week. Nothing crazy. And I'm not gonna cover up. I usually don't cover up my calendar because I find it quite helpful. Ooh, it is getting bad out there. Still bad. I'm gonna put this right here to do. I do have some to-dos to do. And as far as the weekend, can I add the weekend in there? Maybe not. Let's see if these are fit. These are stickers from an old kit, so I'm not sure exactly if they'll fit very well, but that's okay. Can go through. If you hold on just 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So I'm gonna put these on here straight. That would be nice, right? And I don't know if I'm gonna need all of these check boxes, but I'm definitely just going to put them down. And if I need them, great. If I don't, then I don't. I will add them in here. Definitely want to make sure they're straight. I have a thing with them being straight, but that's as straight as they're going to get. Okay, so like I said, I have my sideboard stuff here, and I think I'm going to add just this cute little box down here at the bottom, because this, I want to make sure that I remember to take, I have an ear infection, a middle ear infection, and I want to make sure I take my meds. So make sure I'm on camera with this ear medicine. So make sure I take my ear medicine. And I guess I should have put check box there. That's cool. I'll just make one. Not a problem. Okay. So if I keep on, I do want to make sure that I remember this. Maybe I'll put that right there. No, I'm going to put that right there, because I don't want to forget. Take my earache medicine. Let's go ahead and go through these. And my first to do is notebook. And then I have read for 30 minutes. And then I have water my plant. Visit mom. Call. Janae, and edit video. All right, so I'm just putting the ones that I've done. This one I'm doing in a few minutes. I haven't called her yet. I've called my mom. I've watered my plants earlier. And then read 30 minutes I'll do a little bit later on. All right, so those are done. I'll put those over there. Then I have a couple of appointments. Today is, let's see,
I need to do the Snatched video. Which you're watching now. And I can put that, that's got to go live, I think, early in the morning. So we're going to leave that there. And then I'm going into work, and I don't have my other stickers for work. I wanted to keep it real simple. Let's do it in orange. And I work from 9 to 2. Work. And let's see, pull in my ruler here. 9 to 2. I don't know why I have this backwards, but there we go, close enough. 9 to 2, and this is Calver, and then lunch, and then some other things. That line looks kind of crooked, but that's okay. We'll work with that. All right. Let's see. I'm trying to think. I think that's due at 6 o'clock. I don't know, but I'm gonna put it there because I'm not exactly sure when it goes in. All right, so I have, let's see if this other pen, let's see, videos due. And then I have, what else? Work. What else is left? I have a coach call. Let's just write that on here. I'm gonna use the thick side. So coach, because I don't want to miss that. Coach call. And that's at, I think that's at 9:30. 9:30 a.m. And I'm just gonna, that's on the 13th. Let's just put it right here. Okay. Then I have a workout, and my workouts I have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, and I know I have stickers for days, I guess I just did not pull them on. You know what? I could look in there. Let's see what's in there. Not that they would have workout stickers, but what do they have? I think this is like super decorative, which I can do later. I'm not too pressed to do the decorations now. I don't really want to get, oh, remember. I could have used the remember probably. I could use these right here. Those are cute. Wait, let's take this out. And instead of using those, we're going to use these cutesy ones here. And I wanted to go that way, so we're going to do workout. Workout, and then one last one. Let's do the blue. So I work out in the morning, but I'm not going to put it in the morning because it's going to go across there and not necessarily fit. So I'm just going to put this at 5 because that's a good spot to put it where I'll remember to look. And then Wednesday, do the same. Golly, if these are coming out crooked, I'm so sorry. Then this one on Friday at 5. I really do love these leaves. So pretty. Alrighty, now what's left? Oh, we have church. Let's see, I have the coach call, and then I did my workouts. So Friday night, let's use one of these, and then we can do a little bit of decorating in there. So I think what it is, it's just like I still need to use all this. This sticker book is so pretty. Pumpkin everything. Oh, I really love this one. Look at that. Let's see if this will fit. So it's the 16th as well. So can we put this even lower? Let's put this one here because this one really needs to be there. Just like that. Oh, the colors. Oh, the colors. There we go. And this one is, let's see, I think it's called a fall something. Yeah, church fun night. I guess I could just call it that, right? Church fun night. Yay. And then we are doing s'mores. S'mores with the Morrisons. Okay. So I'm done with that. And I will fill this in later because I have that part done and I have coach call about school. Oh, so many things going on. I could fill in with some more decorative stuff, so I'll probably do that as well. But so far, this is what I have. And again, this was the snatched part that I've recreated over here. This is a little bit different. This is kind of what my regular planning looks like, but this part right here is what she did, which I absolutely fell in love with. And again, I will put her name down in the description so you can go to her website or her YouTube channel and see her spread as well, live and in person, how she created it. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this take 2 of this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.